Hey, this is Avi, and in today's video, I will show you how to send a report email through unitMeasure, my popular unit converter app, especially if you get a screen like this, because there's been a licensing issue. I will try to help you, but you need to go through the steps like I'm doing now. So I went through app info. You could do this through any launcher. And you go to, there should be a settings button, specifically on the Samsung device. You could hit in-app notification settings. Even though I don't have notifications, it pops into the regular settings menu. Then you hit advanced, send feedback. And this is all the information that you're going to need. It gives me a bit of a report of anything that's been wrong in the app and some preferences. And then from here, I could try to debug the issue and help solve it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.